Welcome to my Learning English with MH How to Start Speaking English. From Beginners, A1 to Advanced C1. Hi everyone, welcome back to Learning English with MH channel. Today we'll learn how to introduce yourself and others in English. These phrases are super useful and will help you feel confident in any conversation. Stay with me until the end for a fun practice challenge. Let's get started. Chapter 4. Lesson 1. Introducing yourself. Lesson 2. Asking someone about themselves. Lesson 3. Introducing someone else. Lesson 1. Introducing yourself. First, let's learn how to introduce yourself. Imagine you're meeting someone for the first time. What do you say? Hi, my name is... Hello, I'm... Nice to meet you. I'm from... I live in... Let's look at an example.
Hi, my name is Emma. What's your name?
Hello, I'm John. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I'm from Canada. What about you?
I'm from the United States.
Now it's your turn. Repeat after me. Hi, my name is... I'm from... I live in... Great job. Lesson 2. Asking about others. Next, let's learn how to ask someone about themselves. These questions will help you make new friends. What's your name? Where are you from? How old are you? What do you do? Do you live here? Here's an example conversation.
What's your name?
I'm Sarah.
Where are you from?
I'm from Japan. Do you live here?
Yes, I live in Tokyo.
Let's practice together. I'll ask and you answer. Ready? What's your name? Where are you from? Do you live here? Well done. Lesson 3. Introducing someone else. Now, let's learn how to introduce someone else. This is helpful when you're with friends. This is my friend. He, she is from. He, she lives in. He, she is a years old. Nice to meet you. Here's an example conversation.
Hi, my name is Alex.
Hello, Alex. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. This is my friend Mia.
Hi, Mia. Where are you from?
I'm from Germany.
Now it's your turn. Practice introducing a friend. This is my friend. He is from. You're doing amazing. Here's your challenge. Write your introduction in the comments below. Hi, my name is. I'm from. I live in. I'll reply to some of your comments. Great job today. Now you know how to introduce yourself and others in English. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep speaking. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with friends who are learning English. See you next time.
How are you?
I'm fine, thanks.
How's it going?
I'm great, thanks.
How are you?
I'm great, thanks. And you?
How's it going?
I'm good, thanks. And you?
I'm fine, thanks. How are you?
Not bad, thanks. What about you?
I'm great, thanks.